Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Carlita. So for today's video, eto na nga. Yesterday, I'm waiting na mag-premiere tong music video na to sa Wishbus USA. Kaso mali pala yung pagkakaintindi ko ng premiere time niya. So 9 PM nag-aabang ako, refresh ako ng refresh dun sa page ng Wishbus USA ng 9 PM, pero hindi lumalabas yung upload ng video na to, yung performance na to. Yung pala, Pacific time pala yung 9 PM, then 12 noon sa atin today, October 8 sa Pinas. So, ayun, na-prank ako ng sarili kong thinking. So, ayun, for today's video, I'm gonna react to Beanie perform Shaggy D live on the Wish USA Bus. So, ayan, matutuloy na nga siya. Parang ilang months din to na hinintay natin, no, na lumabas. And today, nag-premiere na nga sila. And I'm so excited to react on this kasi yung mga previous reaction video ko, or kukonti lang siya kasi yung iba talaga sa mga videos ng Beanie, hindi ko mabalikan kasi napanood ko na siya. So parang para sa akin, parang hindi ganun ka genuine yung reaction ko pag hindi mo napanood for the first time. So parang yung meron ako upload rewatch lang, yung parang yun nga kasi nga napanood ko na siya, so i-rewatch ko lang siya for the other music video or performance. I-rewatch ko lang siya and bibigyan ko ng konting reaction. Parang reaction lang doon sa rewatch ko kasi nga napanood ko na before yung mga videos ng Beanie, so lahat yan napanood ko na, kaya etong mga bago na lang yung binibigyan ko talaga ng reaction. Pero kung gusto nyo na mag-rewatch ako ng mas marami pa yung lahat ng performance nila, lahat ng music video, pwede naman natin gawin yan. Just comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyo unahin, or pwede rin naman na per EP, per album, magtala-arawan, or I Feel Good, 'di ba? Tapos sunod na natin yung Beanieverse. So ayan, so pwede naman yan na mahabol natin hanggang Beanified. So yan, i-schedule ko yung pag-rewatch. Sana mahabol ko lahat ng music video, lahat ng performance ng Beanie na makapag-react ako sa rewatch video. So, ayun guys, before anything else, I just want to say na, or ask you to subscribe to my channel. Yan, i-subscribe nyo na ako para ma-notify naman kayo kapag meron akong bagong reaction video, most especially sa Beanie. Then, please support my Patreon channel. So, yan. So, please support. Tapos yan. So, yun guys, without further ado, react na natin to. So yun guys, Beanie perform Shaggy D live on the Wish USA Bus. So let's go.
Sobrang angas.
Sobrang angas.
1075.
Yay!
Shaggy shop. Ano yun? What's that? You might be like what? You ain't thicker than me.
Parang umpisa pa lang they're having fun. Tapos si Aya, ang gaan ng bitaw niya ng unang linya niya or yung lines niya. Yun lang, parang happy vibe lang sila dito. Tsaka ang gaan ng bitaw nila ng kay Aya pa lang naman. So yun, napatigil agad ako. So yan. Oh, parang lang siya eh. Oh my gosh. Grabe. Isang boses na lang yung naririnig mo kapag nagsasabay-sabay na silang kumanta. Parang each yung texture ng voice nila nagko-complement kapag sabay sila, and at the same time kaya parang iisa na lang yung naririnig natin na parang walang nagsasapawan or naiiwan. Siguro merong mga low registered voice na maririnig, then yung syempre yung mga mahilig talaga bumiran, maririnig mo yung boses nila, pero hindi yung tipong nagsasapawan sila or narinig mo bigla si Maloy, narinig mo bigla si nang ibabaw, parang ganon, or hindi mo na marinig si Aya or si Mika kasi or si Stacy dahil may mga soft voice and low registered voice. Pero pag nagsabay-sabay na sila, iisang tunog na lang yung naririnig mo iisang boses, which is yung boses talaga ng Bini. Aya is enjoying, vibing.
Watch me now, watch me shake. You can do it like I did. Pop up rock and I drop real quick. Don't head to the right, come over here. So that body.
Ano ba yung yung outfit nila dito, sponsored ba or kasi puro Chanel yung outfit nila, lahat sila. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Ayun. Kasi most of the time Pinoy yung gumagawa ng mga damit nila. Pero this time dito sa Wish Bus nila ngayon, naka-branded yung kanilang outfit. So, hindi ko alam kung sponsored or talagang sinadya nila na branded or may pangalan talaga yung damit na susuotin nila. Kasi bihira natin sila makita na hindi naman sa event ng Chanel yan, no? So, ayun. Or gusto lang talaga nilang pare-pareha sila.
Oh my gosh. Who comes down first?
Yeah. Grabe, isang boses na lang naririnig ko. Gusto ko lang i-point out na mahirap yung yung parang ha nila na i-control yung boses ko, na i-control siya. Kasi 'di ba pag binabaan mo lang yung boses mo, minsan ang hirap kontrolin niya. Grabe yung confidence na pinapakita nila dito sa performance nila sa Wish Bus, no? Sobrang komportable nila dun sa singing style and dun sa mismong kanta. Hindi mo sila makikita ng ng parang kabado or though hindi naman talaga nila first time, no? Parang enjoyment yung nakikita ko and yun, confidence ng girls.
Do your dance, do your dance. I bet you can do your dance. She's something, clap, then jump. I bet you can't keep up. Nah, I bet you can't keep up. I rock, she rock and snap and lean. I bet you won't be me. Nah, I bet you won't.
Si Aya talaga groove queen no? Ang pleasant sa mata makita sila yung vibe, yung groove. Pero si Aya nakakatuwa siyang makita yung parang natural groove na meron siya na parang innate na sa DNA niya na yung groove niya. So minsan kasi mahirap kumbaga parang napakaswerte mo kapag meron ka yung ganon, yung inborn na sa'yo. Yung innate na sa DNA mo.
She can't do my dance, no do your dance, do your dance, no do your dance. I bet I can't do your dance. She's something, clap, then jump. I bet you can't keep up. Nah, I bet you can't keep up. She rock and snap and lean.
Enjoy na enjoy si Mika.
She rock.
Balikan natin.
Do your dance, dance. I bet you can't do my dance. No do your dance, no do your dance, no do your dance. I bet I can't do your dance. She's something, clap, then jump. jump.
I bet you can keep up now. Bet you can keep up.
I rock, she rock and snap, then lean. I bet you won't beat me. Nah, I bet you won't beat me. Watch me. Shaggity, shaggity, shop up, shaggity, shaggity, shop up, shaggity, shaggity, shop up. Now do my dance, do my dance, now do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance. Do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet they can't do your dance.
Wish
One more time.
Shaggity, shaggity, watch me. Shaggity, shaggity, shop up. Shaggity, shaggity, shop up. Shaggity, shaggity, shop up. Now do my dance, now do my dance, now do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance. Do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet they can't do your dance.
Wish Loser
Breakdance.
1075.
Yun na nga, yun na nga guys. So yun guys, it's Shaggy by Beanie performs at on the Wish USA Boss. So ayan, grabe, napaka-natural ng groove and nakaka-happy yung performance nila. And yun. So, at least napanood ko na siya ngayon, bigyan ko na ng reaction video and to more Beanie content. Yan. Mag-comment lang po kayo kung ano yung gusto nyo or isa-isahin natin yung kanilang EP or album hanggang Beanified. Yan yung yung goal. Hanggang Beanified matapos ko yung lahat ng reaction video sa Beanie. So, ayun guys. Thank you for watching and sana nagustuhan nyo yung yung konting reaction natin. And for sure, nagustuhan nyo yung performance ng Beanie dahil napaka entertaining. At the same time, yung vocals, no? And then yung groove. Lahat na yata no? Tapos nag-breakdance pa sila sa huli kahit na nandun lang naman sila sa pwesto at nakaupo. So, ayun guys, please follow my Patreon channel. Yan. Support niyo po ako dyan. And, yun, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Yes. And, see you next time. Yeah. Peace.